Hey guys, this is Cat My Man here. I want to do a revisit of my 2004 Duracraft 10-inch box fan. I've had this for a long time now. I think I paid like $1.36 for it at Goodwill years back. Yeah, it's old, but it works really well. It's a cheap little Duracraft box fan. I mean, it is kind of dusty because I used it when I was cleaning the vacuum cleaner one time. I used it to ventilate the dust out the window, so it's kind of dusty. So, yeah, and I just never bothered cleaning it. So, yeah, here, I'll turn the light on so you can see something. There we go. Now we can see better. Here's, a 2-speed fan. 2-speed switches right here, high and low. We're going to turn it to, I think this is low. And don't mind that noise in the background. It's the wind. It's very windy out today. It's kind of worn out, I think. That's low. And this is high. Back to low. Back to high. And off. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.